Hey guys, it's Hudson, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my tractor collection. It's a pretty good amount of tractors I have collected over the years, and yep. So right back there is my biggest tractor I have, a John Deere 9RX 590. It's probably my most detailed one. Then I have a John Deere 8RX 370, I think. Then I have a John Deere mower conditioner, a W235R. Then I have a John Deere 7270R with a front loader, a Case IH Magnum 370, all duals around it. I have another John Deere 7R, I think it's a 250. I have a John Deere R4038 sprayer. I have a John Deere 4960, John Deere 7215R row crop tractor with rear duals, John Deere 8320R with duals all around again, a John Deere 6215R, a John Deere, was that a a 561R accumulator round baler, another 561R accumulator, round baler without the accumulator, John Deere hay rake, John Deere 6920S, or just a 6920 with a front loader from Browder. And over here we have a John Deere manure spreader, a John Deere disc or cultivator, John Deere small square baler, John Deere wagon, John Deere gravity wagon, a Krone silage wagon. Then over here we have a John Deere articulated wheel loader, a Crampy half pipe trailer, a Krone big pack large square baler, a Fence, I think that's an 836 Vario, an International, can't remember what the model is, I know, a New Holland with the front loader, John Deere 6330 with the front loader, a Kloss Arian tractor, John Deere 8430T crawler, or 2-track crawler tractor, and a Kloss Exarian. And then getting to my bigger tractors, I have, these are brand new too, that I just bought. A John Deere 561R round baler, and a John Deere 6R 165 utility tractor. Yeah, these are awesome. I like these. I'm sure there's more that I have around, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, comment on anything I can do better. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.